Hey guys, TechNutso here, back again with another video. Hope you all are doing well in life. If not, everything will be fine soon, so don't stress. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make ringtones for your iPhone on your PC with 3 tools. The process is very easy and will not take up much of your time. So what do you need? A PC or laptop. If you don't own one, you can borrow it from your friend or family. Second, an internet connection. Third, obviously an iPhone and a certified lightning cable. So let's start the video. First, you need to download and install 3U tools. I have provided the link in the description. After installing 3U tools, now open Chrome and download your favorite song. In my case, I am downloading a copyright free song from YouTube. Now drag the song onto your desktop so that it will be easy for you to select it. Open 3U tools and connect your iPhone to your PC. There's a toolbox section on the top, click on it. Now click on make a ringtone. Drag the song from your desktop to this dialog box. Select the start point and end point according to your liking of the song. You can literally type in minutes and seconds of your choice. If we want the volume to be above the normal limit, which is 100, we can do that too. But I don't recommend doing that as it may damage the speakers of the iPhone. Keep the fade in setting on as it makes your iPhone ringer volume increase gradually. After you're done selecting the start and end points, click on the generate ringtone button. You can rename the tone if you want and then click on import to your iDevice. Now that the ringtone is imported to your iPhone, navigate to settings, sound and haptics, ringtone on your iPhone and select the ringtone. And bam, you have successfully created and assigned a ringtone on your iPhone. 3U Tools also has a selection of ringtones which you can choose from. You can listen to them and download whichever you like and they'll automatically be imported to your iPhone. So here I end my video. Drop your queries in the comments below and the relevant ones will be answered. You can also DM me on Instagram if you have any tech queries. I am happy to help. Instagram link in the description. So see you guys in the next one. TechNutso signing off.